Welcome to Science Encyclopedia College. Today I am going to be solving a question that has to do with dimension analysis in physics. Do not forget to like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel for more videos. Now let's get into the question. The question here says the velocity v of the wave set up by plugging a stretch string is found to depend on the tension T in the string. Its length L and mass M is given by V equals to K T raised to the power of X, L raised to the power of Y, L raised to the power of Z, where X, Y, and Z are unknown numbers and K as constant. Find X, Y, and Z. Now, once you have a question like this, the first thing you are supposed to do is to bring out the relationship given to you in the question. So we have here given. Now, the relationship given to us here is V. V is equals to KTX LY MZ. This is the relationship given to us in this question. Now, the next step to carry out is to bring out the dimensions of each quantity present in the relationship given to you. Now, the first quantity here is V. So V, dimension of V is equals to, I've done a video on dimension. Dimension of V, which is velocity, is equals to LT raised to the power of -1. That's meter per second. Then we have the next thing, the dimension of course, dimension of K. Here, K is a constant, it's dimensionless, so it is 1. So we have the next thing here, T. T stands for tension. Tension is force, which is L mt minus 2. This is the dimension of force. We've done a video on this dimension of force. The next one is the dimension of L. So we have L is the same thing as L. The next one is the dimension of M, which is the same thing as capital M. This is length, that's meters, that's distance, so it's L. Okay, no need for this now. So we have L, and then M is for mass. The dimension of mass is capital letter M. So stay M there. Now, the next thing you do after you have done this, the next step to carry out is to substitute back the dimensions into the relationship you have that was given to you. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to substitute this. Instead of writing V, I am going to be writing LT minus 1 equals to K, of course, we said is 1, so no need. T, that's for force, to be L M T minus 2. Then the next one is L, which is capital letter L. Don't forget, of course, this one, don't forget there's an X in. So we put it up here. Then L, Y, then capital M, Z. We have the Z replaced there. So we carry out the next thing. We have this. If we repeat this, we open this bracket. X times L is LX. X times M is MX. X times this is T minus 2X. And then L, Y, M, Z. Okay. Now, if you look at it closely, you're going to see some terms are repeated. We have, this is L for this. We have L and L, so we collect them together from here. My right hand side here. So I have LX times LY, LX times LY, and this one M and M times MX times MZ, then times T raised to the power minus 2X. So after that, okay, let's finish this, equals to this in indices, like terms multiplying each other, the same terms multiplying each other, we pick one and add the powers. The same thing here, M, multiplying each other, pick one M and add the powers. Then we have T raised to the power minus 2X. Now, after you have done that, the next thing we're supposed to do is to equate, do an equation. We equate the left hand side with the right hand side. So we have here the dimension. Okay, let's start from M. Or we can start from here now. So let's say L. L is equals to the power of L here is 1. And then which is equal to, what is the power of L here? Is x plus y. You can call this equation 1. Then the power, the next one, we go to L, then we go to M. The power of M, there's no M here, so the power is 0. The power of M here is x plus z. You can call this one equation 2. The next one, we go to T. The power of T here is minus 1, which is equals to minus 2x, equation 3. This is what we have. Now, from this equation 3, from equation 3, we can have x to be equals to dividing both sides by 2. So we can have minus 1 over minus 2. So this cancels, this is just 1 over 2. So we know that x now is the same thing as 1 over 2. Minus 1 over minus 2. So this cancels this, we have 1 over 2. So we can put it back in equation 1. Putting 1 over 2 for x in equation 1, we now have 1 equals to 1 over 2 plus y. So this will now be y will be equals to 1 minus 1 over 2. Y will be 1 minus 1 over 2. So we're going to be having y will be equals to the same thing as half. So I've gotten y. The next thing is to put it back in z. So putting x, okay, let us write it in. Putting 1 over 2 for x in equation 1 and equation 1 and 2. Equation 1 and 2. So equation 1 and 2. So in equation 2, we're going to be having 0 equals to what is x? We said is 1 over 2. So plus z. 0, 1 over 2 plus z. So therefore, z here is going to be 0 minus 1 over 2. When you collect like terms, it's going to be 0, going to be equals to minus 1 over 2. So we have z. So therefore, we have x is equals to 1 over 2. Y is equals to 1 over 2. And then we have z is equals to minus 1 over 2. So don't forget the question says find x, y, and z. So we can say the main equation now is, it is actually v equals to, if you want to put it, you can say k t 1 over 2. Let me write it like this. It is v equals to k t 1 over 2. L, it is L 1 over 2, and then M minus 1 over 2. So these are the values of x, y, and z here. So this is how to solve this question. Do not forget to always like, to share, and to subscribe to my channel for more videos. In case you have any comment, feel free to use the comment section. Thank you.